want to see some love. It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, so what you want to do when you first get this watch up and running, you want to go download the Wear OS app, which I do have right here. So inside of here, it'll run you through the whole setup process. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Just follow the steps and you'll be able to set this up with no problems. But as you can see right here, you do have it says TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. Obviously that's the watch that I have. I do have my Google account set to this watch. It says connected. The 3 bars at the top left, it'll be able to set up a new watch, about, help, feedback, and all this other legal stuff. You do have your watch faces right here, and these watch faces, if I click on more, it shows you all the stock watch faces. And as you can see, if you see my watch face right here, it doesn't match any of the ones that are on here. That's because I went and downloaded this Facer app right here, and as you can see, it's highlighted. So if I went and clicked on this watch face right next to this one here, see, it changed the watch face from that to that. And if I click back on Facer, it'll go back to the watch face that I downloaded from Facer. That's how you switch your different watch faces. And yes, you can go to the Google Play Store and download a bunch of different watch faces. They said there's 1,000+ different watch faces. And then you also got your tiles. You can sit here and set your tiles, adjust them to where exactly you want. You got Google Fit, forecast, next event, heart rate, timer, calculator, hand wash timer. You can add all of these different tiles right here, and I'll show you how to get to the tiles once I get into the watch itself. You got your notifications right here, so these are all the different notifications I have turned on. I have no idea why I have all these different notifications turned on. I just downloaded it and these were already set how they were, so that's just what it is. I didn't take my time to mess with that. I just really didn't care. You have your calendar settings right here, so you can set it to your Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, or none. I just left it as it was. Your Google Assistant, you have your Explore, you have your settings. So if I go to Explore, it just brings right up to your Hey Google. And inside your settings, it just goes to your Google account settings. And I'm not going to click on that because I don't want you to see my information right now. And then also at the bottom it says advanced settings. So you have privacy settings. It'll show what it does for privacy settings, send diagnostic information or not. You have your watch battery, and it shows you exactly the status, the life of your battery. So you see watch idle 27%, Android system 1, and then it says 2 days ago, shows your battery life and all of that stuff. So you also have tilt awake, always on screen. At the bottom you have disconnect TicWatch Pro GPS. I don't want to do that right now. And that's pretty much it for the Wear OS app by Google. There's also another app that you can get, which is right here, which is this Mobvoi app. And inside this Mobvoi app, let me make sure it gets connected. Okay, so inside this Mobvoi app, so you have Wear OS that runs the watch, but then you also have Mobvoi. They also have their own software inside this app, which is just another layer on top of the Wear OS. So you have your different activity right here. I don't have any data, no exercise. I haven't exercised in this watch in a little bit, so there's nothing that's gonna show up. You got your sleep, your heart rate, your blood oxygen, your stress, your noise. You have different devices. As you can see, I do have my TicWatch Pro 3 GPS already hooked up. As you can see right there, it says it's hooked up. Watch face center, view more. So if I click on view more, it'll take me to different watch faces inside of the Mobvoi app. So these are a bunch of different watch faces that you can get inside of the Mobvoi app. And then if I click on mine, it shows all the ones that I have already installed on my watch right here. And then you have your settings underneath here, which is not too much. And then explore. So you got your communities, your activities, special offers, features. This is just like a snapshot page of what Mobvoi has to offer in some of your personal information inside the watch. This is my profile page, as you can see from the bottom. I got my name. I did have my profile picture up there. I don't know what happened to that. You got your third-party authorizations right here. Once you do record a voice memo on here, it comes to this Mobvoi app, and you can see you got your voice memo recordings right here. You can go into your Mobvoi store. You got settings for this. And also, if you click on this fitness and health report, what you would get is your weekly workouts inside the Mobvoi app. You do have two different types of apps on here. You can either use the Wear OS app and just deal all with that, or you can use the Mobvoi app and do all your stuff inside of that, or you can use both. Mobvoi, they have their app on here. Since this is their watch, they want you to use their app, but I think they had to cut a deal with Google since Google runs the operating system on here that obviously you have the Wear OS on here. It's up to you. I think that the Wear OS app to me is a little bit more polished than the Mobvoi app, but that's just me. I did also download this Facer app right here, which enables me to get more apps, or which enables me to get more watch faces right there. So in here you have Explore, these different watch faces right here. You have top charts, you have favorites, and also you have your profile. I didn't set all that stuff up right now. So yeah, people, those are the different apps that I use on this watch right here. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. Or if this is your first time here and you like what you've seen, smash the subscribe button down below. Don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.